Welcome to part 2. Now let's set up our road backdrop and animate it so it looks like the motorcycle is riding forward. We will also add background music to make the game more fun. Now to do that, I'm going to upload my backdrop, my sprites rather, so I'll just pick one. I'm going to open. Then I'm going to go to costume and add 4 more. So I'm going to upload costume. So you just get 1, 2, 3, 4. Just 4 more. And now I have 4 more costumes to make it 5. So I'm going to convert to bitmap. Convert. And then finally convert this one to bitmap. So next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to hold Alt down to increase the size. As you can see, I just shifted down a bit so it is not blocking our sun. Here you have it. We have our first road done. So the second one, also going to increase the size, bring it down. Okay, it is not affecting the sun. I don't think so. Now then the next one, so I'll do the same thing. Hold Alt down, increase it. After all, change this way too long. Okay, and then the next one too, I'll do the same thing and drag it down. Then the next and the final one, I'm going to increase this and drag it down. I'm going to increase this. Finally, now the next thing to do now is to write our code to make it seem like the road is moving. So I'm going to go to events. When green flag clicked, go to motion, go to X and Y, go to control, pick forever, then go back to looks and pick next costume. And I should press this. Okay, it is too fast. So go to control and pick wait 1 second. Okay, did you see that? See the edge of our road. Okay, so let me just stop this. Let me go back to, so I think there should be this one, or this one, come out this one. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to adjust it a bit. Okay, I think that is it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the first one soon. So this, okay. And there you have it now. Our sprite is now perfect. So I'll change this to road plates. Okay, so the next thing I'll do is to just add the background music. So to do that, I'll go to, let me drag forever here. Go to control and pick when green flag clicked. Then go to looks, no sound. Let's go to my sound tab. Go to choose your sound. Spots, no. Okay. Okay, no, that should not be it. Let me pick, see. Oh, okay, look. This is nice. So I'm picking this. So we'll go to our sound. We'll just drag play sound until done. If I should test this, you can see that our sprite is moving this back, this road. Now sound is also playing. And awesome. Awesome. Now the road moves and we have background music. In the next part, we'll bring in our motorcycle and give it some cool animation.